All right, this is Mrs. Munoz with a video for an example problem for the stoichiometry book assignment, and I'm going to help you out with question number 2. So question number 2 gives you 2.9 moles of hydrogen. So that means you are going to start with moles of A, and A represents the starting substance, so A represents H2. And you're trying to get to grams of H2O, so B is going to be the substance H2O. So you're going to move these cards around to get to grams of B. So you're going to cancel moles of A, and the cards that are outlined in blue, you have to use one of those in every problem. So since you are at moles of A, you're going to go straight to that card next. Moles of A is going to cancel, and that's going to get you to B. So your goal is to get to B, and you can go straight there from moles of A. And that's what's given. So then you're going to cancel moles of B on the bottom. But you don't want that one because that'll take you back to where you started. You want moles of B to grams of B. So you're going to follow this setup in the problem down here. And remember, every time you had A, you're going to replace it with H2. So you're going to start with your given 2.9 moles of H2. And then we're going to follow the next card. Moles of H2 is going to be on the bottom. And you can see moles of B is on the top. So moles of H2O. And then the last card, we have moles of B on the bottom. So that's moles of H2O. And we have grams of H2O on the top. And then if you look at the slide before this, it'll kind of tell you where these numbers come from. But the mole to mole step is where you're going to use your coefficients. And so you get those up here. H2O has a 2 and H2 has a 2. So H2O is going to get the 2 right here. H2 is going to get a 2. And the gram mole step is going to come from your formula mass. And you can see H2O is 18. So we're going to put 18 grams with 1 mole. And the math will be 2.9 times 2 times 18 divided by 2 divided by 1. And I've done that math already in my calculator, and it works out to be 52.2. Make sure that's one of my answers in the answer key, and it is right there, 52.2. Everything cancels except for the units that are at the end and at the top of my problem. So the units are grams of H2O. I also make sure that that's what the question asks for, grams of H2O, and it does, and I'm done.